Morning everyone, how are you all? So it is day 3. Is it day 3? I have no idea. What? Yeah, it's day 4. It's day 4. So finally today we are going for boating. On a boating pusari saying we have decided to go to another waterfall, but this time we are not just going to see the waterfall, but we are going to swim as well. So yeah, I am all ready. Today's outfit is let me show you in the mirror. Is this purple lavender color crop top with these white jeans and my white shoes. I don't know if you can see. Okay, I'm gonna fold like this. And my white bag. It's cute. And my sunglasses. These earrings sponsored by Janki. So yeah. Sexy ladies. COC. We are now heading to boating place. Yes. Just 5 minutes away from here. So yeah.
Just 5 minutes away from here.
Look at this woman. She looks so sexy today. Her outfit though.
She wants just.
So it is 20 minutes wait for the boating. 1 hour boating. So we are just in the queue. Girls.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm sure it's gonna wait until. It said exactly the same.
Okay, it does look a lot. Look how many people recommend. Will fit.
Where are we gonna sit? Yeah. Do you wanna sit here? Are you excited, ladies?
Yes, sir.
How about you girls? Are you excited? Janki, you lost. You though. Super.
Just above the concrete slipway on the side there, we can see that it's sandstone. There was a
How was it, girls?
Lovely.
Yeah. Fiver for half an hour. It was definitely worth the money and worth the time. You'll get the best views here on the boating. Yeah. Are you ready, girls?
Yes! Ready to swim?
Yeah, ready to swim.
Sir. And the weather is so good, guys.
I know.
Perfect. Touch wood,
Like, okay.
Let's not jinx it.
Yeah, let's not jinx it until we go there
I know.
and swim it.
Yeah. Until it's done.
Yeah. उत्रिसक्यो रातभरि जानेर फाटिसक्यो उत्रिसक्यो रातभरि जानेर मैले चप्ने सिरानीलाई तिमी झै छानेर रमाउली रमाउली we are.
What is this? You gotta pay for it. You haven't got any. पैसे ले रहा
So guys, it's £2 to enter from that gate. Yo, that's nice. Pretty. हामी त त्यहाँ तल पोखरीमा गएर स्विम गर्ने भनेको बट लुक्स लाइक त्यहाँ जान पाउँदैन जस्तो छ सो या इट्स सो प्रिटी though. Can we not go there? There's somebody. Well, I don't mind to go.
yes.
We had the best time. I think today is probably one of the best days we
out
had
of
since
all.
out
Yeah.
of all, yeah, definitely.
And even the weather, oh my god. Absolutely
yeah,
amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. It was
everything
perfect.
is in our favor.
Yeah. Oh yes. And the nature.
Yeah. Look,
Food.
gosh, I couldn't be any happier than this. We had the best holiday.
The nature. The
There's one more day
the
left.
sun, the water.
That's it.
That's it. Lovely.
So guys, I'm all ready. We took some time to take pictures. So yeah, I'm all ready. I'm wearing a purple dress. We are doing a purple theme today. So yeah, it can be any shade. So yeah, that's her outfit and that's her outfit. She's wearing purple trousers. That's her outfit, and she's wearing purple top. That's her outfit. And we have a purple flower as well to match with us. So yeah, now we are going for dinner. Yeah, that's it really. We've been trying to look for Indian place because
so
we're
we
missing
go
our dal
straight.
bhat. So yeah.
You know what? Ready? We'll just go straight from there, guys.
Come on, guys. You don't have it. You don't have it. First page and second page.
Can I have a look from yours?
So khana khane bhaiyo, the food was starter was alright enough. There was not much of a masala. So it wasn't like a great taste, but it was alright. But the main food was really nice. So yeah. So my belly is popping out.
Papa was saying, "Get your kid in the
I will put my pants, guys.
Food ladies.
It was nice.
It was good, guys.
Yeah. The starter was like khalkoi na. Okay, alright. But the main was nice.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It was good as well.
Yeah, but it's probably the area as well. Birmingham Dina saying it's so much masala and everything, but here saying exactly. I also hack khana just to like very flavors saying just so strong देखेन के मैले. So even here in like our starter there wasn't much masala, but main was really good. So yeah, we did our dinner time.
Asians usually don't like our food.
Even the staff noticed our
Masala is not
color
together.
theme, you know. They were asking us, so that was really nice.
Which is
Yeah, now we are just heading back home.
Should we get this, guys?
My hair looks good. I don't know.
That was too much food.
Not gonna lie, that was. So talking about today, the first thing we did in the morning was boating. We went for a ride on a boat, and this was I say we went to we went to see this waterfall, but there was no place to swim around. So discussing 5 minutes या फिर 10 minute walking matching, there was a little lake, so we went there to swim, and it was a great day, amazing day, one of me. It is probably one of our best day, like compared to other last 2 days. Today is the best day. And then this study thing got mad. I think we got changed, and then we went for a dinner because swimming got it. We were feeling really cold, and saying we wanted some nice warm food. And obviously हामीले 2-3 दिनदेखि चाहिँ हामीले करीहरू राइसहरू पनि खाएको थिएन नि त. So we thought we should have rice and curry today, so we went for dinner. It was a great food. Just the starter, which was a little bit like in between, but it was still nice. And the main was great, servicing was great too. Yeah, and now we just came back home. As you see, now we are just going to pack our suitcase, clean the room and everything. Tomorrow is our last day. Tomorrow is our last day. Last day here. I mean, today is our last night here, and then yeah, tomorrow we will be checking out 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching this video.